Good evening, sir.
Good. Good evening, Rudra. Let's wait for one more minute. Many people didn't join. Let's start the class. Request everyone to please turn on your cameras.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. So we are discussing about experiment and outcomes and what is sample space and what is event. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So let's write down equally likely outcomes. Okay.
Sir, I didn't understand like equally likely we both are same, sir.
I'm explaining you, no? Don't be in hurry. First write down the definition. Equally likely outcomes are those which have the same chance of occurring. Example, tossing a coin. Tossing a coin. The probability of getting head and probability of getting a tail is equal. Is equal. Okay. So please write down the definition, then I'll explain. See, when I'm writing something on the board or notepad, you parallelly take the notes. So done. So if you
No,
toss
sir.
it,
That's it.
so if you toss a coin,
Sir, I'm writing example, sir. Can you wait for like
please
1 minute, sir? Sir, you can start, sir.
so tossing a coin. So if you toss a coin, so outcome, I already told what will be the outcome. You know the outcome. That is, it either may be head or either may be tail. Right? So equally likely outcomes means we are expecting it either may be a head or either may be a tail. So if you toss a coin, okay, if you toss a coin, you know the outcome. That is equally likely, you know the outcome. Equally likely means two faces are on the coin. One face is head and one face is tail. So if you consider an example of one face is head and one face as tail, if you toss this coin in the air, you equally have the chance, no? That is, it might be head or it might be tail. So that's what the thing is. So equally likely outcome means when you go for any experiment and you know that, suppose how to give you an example. I will with another example. Let me give you. Example. Suppose it's raining outside. Okay. Suppose it's raining outside from past 3 days. It's raining outside from past 3 days. It's raining continuously. So government might declare schools as holidays because it's raining continuously, or might not. Anything will be happen for sure. So equally likely outcomes means we know the probability of getting something out of it. This may happen or that may happen. Okay. So this is called equally likely outcomes. Next, probability of an event. Please note down parallelly. I told you what is event yesterday.
So what did you write? The probability is the
Likelihood.
okay, sir.
Sir, can you go a little bit up, sir?
Done?
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Sir, what is there in the last line, sir? Total number of outcomes of the.
Of the
Sir, I can't understand.
so
Sir, what does E mean? PE.
E is probability of an event.
Okay.
Done?
So just 1 minute, sir.
What is number of outcomes that make an event?
Total number.
So I will give you an example. I am rolling a dice for one time. So this is the dice. You know, dice have 6 faces, right? Dice has how many faces?
6 faces.
6 faces.
6.
What all number present in the die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? Getting my point? It is represented in this way.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now I will tell you what is the probability of event what is the probability of getting 3 in
Sir, 1
row?
by 2, sir. 1 by 2, sir.
1/6, sir.
1 by 2, sir.
In one row. Okay. So how will you
Sir,
tell this? Yes, who is that?
sir, the number of, you told what is the probability of getting 3, no, sir? So the number of outcomes are 3, no, sir. So the total number of outcomes that make it is 6. No?
Wrong.
In one roll, sir.
Sir, we need to,
Sir, it's 1/6.
In one row. Wait, students.
1 by 6, sir.
sir, may I say?
Okay, I'll keep calm, you people teach. Wait. So if you see here, number of outcomes that make an event. So if you want to get 3, what is the probability here to get 3? Only one chance, no? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
So number of outcomes that make an event is 3. So if I roll a dice for one time, I will get it as 3. Yes or no? Huh? What's your answer for this? Then total number of outcomes of the experiment. How many outcomes we have?
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. So answer is, so here only one. Getting 3 is one chance. So answer is 1 by 6. The probability of the event of getting 3, that is probability of event is getting 3 is 1 by 6. Suppose if I tell you what is the probability of getting 4, what is the answer? That is also 1 by 6 again. Probability of getting 5, 1 by 6. So any confusion in understanding this?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. So probability in detail for you people is not required. Only this chota explanation is required. Once you scale up to 9th or 10th class, mostly in 10th class, you will learn in detail. You will learn Bayes theorem and all. For now, this information is enough. So number of outcomes that make an event by total number of outcomes of the experiment. So this is the case. If you want to note down this
So
example,
can you explain it one more time? I didn't understand.
so what is the probability of getting 3, I said. Okay. So if you roll a dice, what is if you roll a dice, you may get 1, you may get 2, you may get 3, you may get 4, you may get 5, you may get 6. What is the total number of outcomes we may get?
6.
6, right? But what I am concerned about?
3. How
3,
many?
right?
How can you get 3? Yeah.
Number of outcomes that make an event. What is my event? To get a dice number as 3. So first time I rolled, that is 1 I got, failed. 1 outcome gone. Second time I rolled, 6 came. So 6 is not my event. My event is I should roll a dice such that it should get 3. So again I roll the dice 5 times. 5 I got. So that is not my event. Again I roll the dice 4 I got. That is not my event. Again I rolled the dice 2 I got. That is not my event. So how many outcomes I finished now? Experiment I did 5 I did, no? And one last chance I have, that is rolling another time. At that time, if I get 3, so the probability will be out of 6 attempts, any time if I roll, I may get 1. One time.
So, but how can you get 2 times or 3 times?
Sorry?
How can you get the probability to be 2 times or 3 times?
2 times or 3 times.
I mean, now because 3 is just one number, so it will become 1 by 6. But then what if it should be 2 by 6?
2 by 6. How could we do 2 by 6?
No. My question is, what should be the question if we should get 2 by 6?
I didn't get you. Please come again.
No, so because, I mean, in this question that you gave, we'll get the answer as 1 by 6. But then how can we get 2 by 6 in any of the things, not only in this?
2 by 6, yeah?
How do we get 2 by 6 in some different question? Because we'll always be referring to one single digit or one single thing item, right? So how can we get 2 by something?
2 by something. Okay. So that depends upon the number of times you roll. I told here only one time roll, no? I already underlined here in one roll.
But I didn't.
So still you are confused.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yes, Gautam Krishna, I already listened to you. Please wait. I'm discussing with her. Once her doubt is cleared, I will come to you. This
Okay, sir.
probability is analyzing thing. You should analyze first. 6 సార్లు dice వేస్తే, if you throw dice 6 times, only one that is one roll. One roll matlab, if you are rolling a dice, that is, if you throw a dice one time, single time it should get the answer. That is, at one attempt only you should get the answer.
Oh, so 2 times roll challenge, it should become 2. There should be in 2 rolls.
Yes, in 2 rolls it should become 2.
Oh, okay, fine.
Are you getting my point? If
Yeah, I
I
understood now.
throw a dice for one roll, అంటే అది రావచ్చు రాకపోవచ్చు నాకు తెలియదు. I don't know. It might come or might not come.
Oh, okay. So the possibility of to get
We are
3
talking
in one roll.
We are not giving 100%. Probability is a subject we are talking about. What is probability? Name itself is self-explanatory. Probable కావచ్చు, రావచ్చు.
Okay.
It might come. So what is the probability? Six times వేసినాం అనుకో, 6 numbers ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి 6 numbers వస్తాయి మనకి. అది total number of outcomes is 6 times we are throwing. No, 6 numbers will come. It might come two times also. We don't know. But 3 will
Okay.
come for one time. No.
Okay.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So what you told, so you have gone through some other question where it is mentioned as 4 by 6, 5 by 6. There, that case I will discuss. We will discuss the problems, then you will come to understand. Don't worry. So I mentioned in very beginning of the question one roll. Okay. So it's a probable. Probable means we might the total number of outcomes. I am throwing toss in air. Suppose I am throwing a toss in air. What is the probability of outcome? What is the probability of getting head or tail?
Sir, 1
Head.
by 2.
1 by 2. Why? Because
1 by
number of outcomes is 2. That is head and tail. But what we are looking for, if I said it is head, I want only head. Probability is 1 by 2. Or else if I want tail, probability is 1 by 2. So that's the reason why we call it as equally likely event. What is that? Equal probability of the, where is that? Equally likely outcome.
Okay, sir.
So there are 2 chances. Okay. That either it may be head or either it may be tail. So probability is 50-50 chances antam. 50-50 chances. So that is 50 by 100. That is 1 by 2. So 2 times we have 2 outcomes. One may see once what is given here, total number of outcomes of the experiment. What if you toss a coin in the air? What should be the outcome? Total number of outcome. It should be head and it should be tail, right? So 2 outcomes. I'm writing 2 in the denominator. And what is my event? I should get head. Out of the 2 outcomes, head is one time we are getting, no. So that is 1 by 2. Yes, Gautam Krishna, what is your doubt?
Sir, my doubt is also clarified, sir.
Clarified.
Yes, sir.
So probability means you are checking the chance of getting for what you are aspiring. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it's you are just checking. So probability means number of outcomes that make an event. First, by total number of outcomes of the experiment. I am doing an experiment. I am throwing a coin in air. So 2 outcomes will be for sure. One is head and one is tail. What is my event? I should get head as an answer if I throw the coin. Means that is one only. No, one if you throw one time, it might be head or it might be tail. No. Okay, are you getting my point? Any doubts here? Sahiti, Lasya is not showing any attention in the class.
No, sir.
No,
No
sir.
doubt.
No. No, sir.
Lasya, what is the answer for this? If you throw a dice 2 times, what is the probability of getting 1? Answer this.
3 by 1 minute, sir.
Wait, wait. Gagana, I will come to you. Wait.
Sir, number of outcomes is 3. 2 are their outcomes. 2 by 3.
If 2 dice, if you roll the two dice at a time, number of outcomes is 3 or 2.
2, sir.
Great. You're not
3, sir. 3, sir.
Great. You're not showing attention in the class. Sahiti, what is the answer?
Sir, is it 1 by 6?
What is number of outcomes here? Total number of outcomes here.
Sir, total number of outcomes are sir, the total is like numbers are 6, sir.
2 dice I am rolling. No, how could it be 6?
Sir, is it 2 by 6?
Wrong. Gone. Zubair, what's total number of outcomes here of the experiment? I'm rolling. I'm not talking about the event. I'm talking about the total number of outcomes of the experiment.
Sir, it's 12, sir. Like
Yes.
2 days, no, sir.
Yes, 12.
12, no, sir. Each dice will have 6 faces, so
6
2
faces.
dice, 2 into 6, that
12.
will be
Yes.
sir.
Shrestha,
Sir, can I tell the answer,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
Gagana, you people raise hand. You have doubt or you want to tell the answer?
So tell the answer.
No. I know you know the answer.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
So answer here will be. So 1 no.
Is it 2 by 12?
2 by 12, that is 1 by 6.
2 by 12, sir.
Yeah.
1 by 6, sir.
Okay. So we are done with this. We are done with this chapter. From next class, we will discuss problems. That is on Thursday's class. We will discuss some problems, and out of that problems, I will give some subjective test on data handling. So till now, if you have any doubt, please let me know. So what all we discussed many. We discussed histograph. We also discussed bar graph. We discussed tally. We discussed a pictograph. Yes, Lasya, what's your doubt?
Sir, the last question which just you gave, sir, that could you explain again?
I couldn't explain. Why? Because you're not showing attention in the class. I just kept on shouting, what's the probability? What's the probability? What's the difference between an event and what's the difference between an event and outcomes of an experiment? So if I throw a dice 3 times, what is the total number of outcome last year?
Only 1 die if we throw 3
Dice.
times.
3 dices. If 1 dice, I'm throwing 3 times.
So 3, sir. Like it will be 12.
Sir, 18, sir.
9. 1 minute, sir.
Sir, 18, no, sir, outcomes.
Yes,
Total
sir.
of 1.
18.
Last year, what's your doubt? You tell me now. I gave enough concept. What's your doubt? You tell me now. Wait, you didn't understand. You please tell me.
So the formula of the probability is total number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes by number of outcomes of your answer. Number of outcomes.
Number of outcomes that make an event by number of outcomes of the experiment. What is the difference between experiment and event? You please, you know about what is the difference between experiment and event?
Sir, event is the situation which happened.
Situation तो सबको पता है भाई, situation क्या है? Tell.
Sir, like throwing the dice.
Suppose
That's the event.
if I throw 2 coins in air, what is the total number of outcomes? I'm asking last year, not other people. What is total number of outcomes of an experiment? 2 coins I throw in air. 2 coins. So one I and one Zubair, we both throw 2 coins in air. Total number of outcomes of the experiment. So we are experimenting, no? So here experimenting means doing a task.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
Wait,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's the answer? Please tell.
4, sir.
Hello.
4, sir. 4.
Okay, 5 minutes. Mali call this.
4, sir.
4. How? Explain.
Sir, can I tell, sir?
No, Zubair, wait.
Sir, 2 coins and again 2 times we are throwing, so it will be 4.
2 coins are throwing 2 times, so that's the 4. So here 2 coins.
Yes, sir.
Just a moment. Okay, so here 2 coins. 1 coin. With 1 coin, how many outcomes we get last year?
So 1 coin only we get 1.
We get 1.
While flipping, we'll get 2, sir. But when it will be thrown down, we get 1.
Okay, outcomes of an experiment is 2. Okay. And another coin outcomes of experiment is 2. So the probability will be 4. Total number of outcomes will be 4. Suppose if I tell how will I get head or tail, then that will be if I tell you tail, then it will be 2 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Even if it is 2 tail, you'll get 2 by 4. That's probability of getting 2 tails.
Yes,
Head if head and tail also 2 by 4. So throwing 2 coins, what is the total space of an experiment? Head to tail, tail head, head, and what? What is another chance?
head, tail.
So suppose I'm throwing 2 coins. Okay. Chance might be tail also.
Tail, head,
will come.
Head to tail,
Tail will come. Tail head will come. So now you see what is the total number of outcomes now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, it's not 8.
Which both, sir, I'm saying these 4 and this side 4.
If I tell you a single coin rotated 2 times, then you can say that. I'm telling you 2 coins thrown in the air 1 time. At a time, sorry.
Okay, sir.
Instead of saying 1 time, at a time. Then it will be
Okay,
4.
sir.
So you people are now not required in much detail about this. Small gist of knowledge is enough. So don't get confused. You should remember only one thing. That is total number of outcomes of an event by total number of outcomes of an experiment. That's it. Don't get confused. Tomorrow we will discuss, that is next class, we will discuss some problems on this, and we will wind up the class, and test will be subject to paper. I will give simple problems only. Data
Excuse
handling
me,
is,
sir.
yes, Resta.
Sir, I have another class. I need to leave now.
I didn't get you properly, sorry.
I have another class. I need to leave.
Yeah, please.
Sir, in the test, will pie chart questions be given?
Yeah, you'll get pie chart questions. You'll get pictograph. You'll get histograph, bar graph, tally ka. You'll get the questions. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So have a great day, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
We'll
Bye,
meet
sir.
in the
Thank you,
next
sir.
class
Bye,
on
sir.
Thursday.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.